Hi guys and welcome back to my channel and say hello to my very orange hair. So for today's video, I'm gonna share with you how you can get a free shopping voucher just by using your credit card and how to redeem it, plus an Amazon mini unboxing. So if you wanted to know more, then please keep on watching. So for sure, all around the world, credit cards, bank credit cards, has this rewards points system where you use your credit card to any purchase or payments, then you will have rewards points, and once you accumulated a certain number of points, it's either you get an automatic cash back and it will be converted to a certain amount and it will be minus to your outstanding bill, or there are also other credit cards that will give you GCs or gift certificate vouchers where you can use for shopping. So I have two credit cards here in Abu Dhabi. The one has automatic cash back and the other one has rewards points. So I'm gonna share with you how to redeem those points. So I will show a screen recording. So before anything else, just disclaimer, I know that you heard from other people that credit card is bad, it's basically utang, and this video in a way encourages you to get and use a credit card. But if you know how to handle your finances and you know how to use it in your benefit, so I think it's a good idea to use your credit card. For example, if you have like a cash and you want to buy something and you will buy that item and you don't get anything in return, only that item. But when you use your credit card, you get rewards points. So every time you purchase something, you accumulate points and then you get this cashback or gift certificate vouchers. Well, if you just use your cash, then you can't get anything more from it, right? So my way of managing my credit cards is I always pay the outstanding amount. I don't pay the minimum amount to avoid finance charges and penalties. So basically, it's like you buy something, but instead of buying it by cash, you just use your credit card and you just pay it later on with the cash that you have. So that's how you manage your credit cards to avoid finance charges. So on to how to redeem your credit card rewards points or voucher. So I'm gonna show a screen recording right now. So I'm already in my credit card app. So I've accumulated 70,786 rewards points. So I don't know exactly the equivalent of rewards points for every purchase, but they did announce that for telecommunications payments like your due or it is a lot, if you're paying it through your credit card, 1 dirham is equivalent to 1 point. And also for, I think, supermarket purchases, if I'm not mistaken. So I have set up my network bill in auto payment through my credit card. So I have accumulated a large points. So okay, so I'm already here in my app and there says my rewards, history, redeemed transaction. So for this credit card, you can actually have the option to convert it into cashback, vouchers, miles, travel, and shop. But I just did a voucher with Amazon. So I actually have options to redeem it through Giraffe, Emax, iStyle, and so on. But I decided to go with Amazon because I wanted to buy something. So it's loading. So here you can click Amazon and then select amount in dirhams, and then just choose how much you want to redeem. And I just show you. I think I've clicked like 500. For 500 dirhams you need 97,206 points, but I only have 70,000, so that's not it. And for 250 is for 49,126, and I actually just redeemed 150 because I just have very important items to buy, so I only redeemed 150. So it's just 29,896 points. So you just confirm it and they will just send you an SMS saying that you redeemed your voucher. So they will actually send you the voucher code through your email, and then I will show you a screen recording with Amazon. So I'm already here in my Amazon, and here are the things on my cart, and then you just proceed to buy, and then you put the codes to the slot. Where is it? Okay, so that's it. I just put my codes in there, and once you click apply, actually it's more than 150, so I still have to pay the extra. So I use it with my credit card. So I just paid 22.81 dirhams. So yes, and that's it. That's how you redeem your gift voucher. So now I have my package here. Amazon. This one I bought some, I think 1, 2, 3, 4 items, but the other one is still on its way. Maybe it's gonna arrive in a week. So let's unbox of what I shopped for free in Amazon. We're going to unbox or unwrap the first item of what I shopped for free in Amazon. First off, it's a concealer from NYX. It was on sale, so I think I just bought this for 16 dirhams. NYX. Yay! The next one. Oh, this one I think this is what I need for my orange hair. Oh, by the way, I've been bleaching my hair for more than a year. If you wanted me to make a video on how I bleach my hair at home, please leave a blonde emoji in the comments. Yes, so this is what I use to tone my hair. It's the Wella T14. It's either T14 or T10. It's just either of the two. And then the last one, this it's a very huge box. I know that this is just a small item. Amazon, why do you have to pack the items in huge boxes? See, this is huge. Only this. See, there's so much space. So this is the ordinary what's this one? Retinol in squalene. Yes, I've got all this for free for just using my credit card. And also, if you do groceries at home, I offer to use my credit card to pay the groceries, or if you have dinner, for example, so I get the points. So yeah, that's how I accumulate those points. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this one, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. And please don't forget to like this video, share this to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!